Tyrant! Terminator! Yo, what's good, TTA fam? Back at y'all with another one. Man, today we at the Cook County Courthouse out in Chicago, Illinois. Just getting ready to see if they respect our rights to record in public, to make sure that our rights are not infringed on by anyone at any time. So let's go see. Seems like all these Cook County courthouses still have payphones, man. Local calls 50 cents. So I guess they have a police department attached to the courthouse as well. Yeah. Ask this young lady right quick. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
So is this the only probation office right here?
Come this way, please. You're taking a video?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you supposed to take a video here?
Pretty sure I can.
Oh, really?
Pretty sure, yeah.
What's your question?
Is the probation office, is that one right?
This is the Cook County Juvenile Probation Department.
Oh, okay.
So who are you looking for? What department?
So just because this was I thought this was the courthouse.
It is a court.
Okay, cool. Right. So we're looking for
juvenile cases.
for juvenile cases. Okay, cool. That's cool too. But just looking for the probation office. I see that it says chief probation right there.
So, okay, are you looking specifically for someone?
No, ma'am.
Or probation?
No.
Our probation department is on the second floor.
Second floor.
Yeah.
Okay.
Go down that hallway up to the tree.
Okay.
On your left, go to the end of the hallway.
Okay.
Look for the elevator, second floor.
Second floor. Appreciate it. So it's the juvenile probation / Cook County Courthouse.
Okay. I mean, seriously, like, I know. It will come to me.
I haven't done this.
Probation officers.
Broke even on that after 3 years. Then
Okay.
It's just the assessment.
Okay. Yeah, see, this sign is so old, man. We already know that, like you said, it says April 15, 2013. Yeah, that sign is extremely old. We already know you can film in the Illinois Cook County court houses, but not the courtrooms. We're gonna find probation real quick. Let's see how this guy goes. So you guys stay tuned. Clerk of the circuit court right here. Good morning. Do you guys have any FOIA request forms?
We don't have any in this office now.
Really?
Really? No. What are you looking to get?
Just basically trying to request some just public records from the clerk's office.
Are they juvenile records? Are they child protection
No,
records?
nothing like that. It'll be just general information.
Okay. What kind of, are they related to any criminal cases or?
No, so it'll be just general information. How you doing, sir?
The general information that you would be requesting, you can turn around and you can try to get the QR code from over there.
Okay.
That will allow you any information that you need in regards to the clerk's office.
Okay, but and we also still can file a FOIA too, right?
Not with us. Is that are you trying to get a firearms?
No, ma'am. So we're just trying to file a FOIA, Freedom of Information.
Freedom of Information
That's
Act.
correct. From the clerk's office, though.
You can get that from downtown.
I know. I can also file one here, with any
Well,
public entity.
But we don't have that information in-house.
Oh, I understand what you're saying. So you're thinking once I give it to you, you guys... No. So what it is when I fill out the request, I give it to you, then the onus is on you guys to forward it to your public information officer, and then they'll get back to me. But me just filling it out, turning it in, I can do that.
But I'm letting you know, though, those documents we don't have in our office.
I understand.
That's
No, I
what
understand.
I'm letting you know. So if you choose to go on there, you can click on the QR code, and that will be able to give you the information that you need.
Okay. But what's your name, ma'am?
My name is Mrs. Gardner.
Miss Gardner. You know what? I'm gonna just fill it out on a blank sheet, and then I'll turn it in, and then we'll go from there. That should suffice.
Give them a blank sheet of paper.
So we'll fill out. She's not really understanding what we're trying to convey, but that's okay. All right, appreciate that. So we'll just fill this FOIA out real quick, and we'll be good to go, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned to GTA family. Give us a copy real quick. If I could just get a stamped received copy, and here's your pen back.
Thank you.
We should be good to go.
Okay, but in order for us to send this downtown, I was requesting for your name.
I couldn't hear her. What'd she say?
In order for us to send this downtown, in order for them to get back to you, you're just asking for the
Yeah. So that's just general information about the office, but
we don't have any place to send it.
so
to.
that's why I gave a
Just
contact
a contact
number.
phone number.
Yeah, and they'll call me.
And your name is not. You don't want to put your name on it.
No, ma'am.
Okay, we'll just make a copy and give it out.
All right. Thank you.
So yeah, it's you know, you can always file your FOIA anonymously. So that's okay. Give us a copy, and then we'll be good to go. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.
So here is your copy, and we will send this downtown
For
to
sure.
our Human Resource Department, and they will contact you.
All right,
All right,
appreciate
thank
it.
you so much.
All
Have a
right,
great
you
afternoon.
too. So we was able to get our copy. I think this is what she was referring to at first. Like if we wanted any public records, she was telling us to scan one of those codes. But that's not what we were talking about. So, but we was able to file it with the clerk's office. Got us a copy. Moving right along. Y'all stay tuned. The lady sent us down this way, so let me ask one of these here. Yes, excuse me, sir. So how do we get to the probation office from here? I know the young lady told me to come to the tree and make it laugh, but...
Yeah, that's pretty much the way it is.
Okay.
I'm Sergeant Kamek, star
Sergeant.
number 1187.
Okay.
Can you stay here for a second? Yeah. And you wanted to go to the juvenile probation?
Is it juvenile probation?
This whole building is juvenile,
Okay.
so is that what you were?
And it's a
looking
it's a courthouse as well, right?
for? Yeah, well, we have a courthouse, we have child protection on one side,
Okay.
and then we have the criminal justice side
Okay.
on that
Oh,
side.
criminal justice. Okay, cool.
And then we have the detention center upstairs.
Okay.
And then we have a variety of different entities, probation, DCFS.
Okay. What about the state's attorney's office?
Yep. we have
Okay,
a
cool.
case turned
So
around.
yeah, the probation should suffice at this point, then.
Okay,
Yeah, that'll
so
be good.
you're gonna walk this way?
All right. So we can find a
You're
probation.
James, right?
Yeah, how did you know?
I watch your videos.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that's what's up.
Tyrant Terminator.
Yeah, definitely. Well, you know what? You guys, Superintendent Angulo never works this building, does he?
No, he's superintendent for one courthouse.
Oh, because you know what? I seen him at Bridgeview, and then I seen him in, I think, is it Markham? I like.
Well, you know, sometimes they fill in.
Oh, okay.
For other superintendents when they're
Okay.
out there.
Oh,
like we
okay.
have our own superintendent in this building.
Oh, okay. Oh,
And
okay.
so each courthouse has their own superintendent.
Superintendent. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
You take that elevator there.
Okay.
To the second floor.
To the second floor. I appreciate it. Thanks a lot, Sarge. So he said, James, right? Said Tyrant Terminator. I watch your videos. Well, we appreciate that, man. Well, he was able to help us, man. We better get to the second floor, and then we'll be good to go. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Okay.
May I help you?
Yes, ma'am. So,
Click on here.
oh, right here? Okay. Well, yeah, so we just want to be able to come in and file a FOIA with the probation office.
Say your word again.
FOIA?
Can you spell it?
Yeah, so it's FOIA.
Oh, I don't think you come here for that.
Yeah, we can file it at any public entity.
No, sir. This is the juvenile probation department.
Yeah, I know, I'm aware. I'm aware.
So you have to check with the clerk's office if you're gonna file anything.
Well, so let me say this. Not okay. I won't use the word file. We'll say submit. There you go.
I'm gonna speak to the people that's on the camera. Hey, how y'all?
Oh yeah, for real, for sure. They appreciate that.
Submit.
Huh?
You said you want to submit?
There you go. So what I would do is fill out some requested materials from this department, turn it back into you, and then you will forward it to you guys as a public information officer, and then they'll get back to me.
Okay, so what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to go downstairs.
I just left the clerk's office. I just did one with them.
So we don't do that here.
Yeah. So what I'm saying is, only thing you have to do is accept the form that I'm gonna give to you.
I can't accept it because this is probation.
That's correct.
This is the juvenile probation department.
Okay. Even
We
if so.
don't do FOIA at all.
Yes, ma'am. So any public entity has to accept the FOIA request. That's how it goes.
This is what I'm gonna have you to do. I'm gonna have you to have a seat for me,
Okay.
and I need to find a manager.
Okay, a manager. Yeah. Okay, someone. Okay. All right. We appreciate it.
Not a problem. And who am I speaking to in that camera?
Well, you said you just spoke to everybody that's watching.
And here's the thing also that you do not know.
Uh-huh.
If a sheriff happens to come up here
Mm-hmm.
and see that, they're gonna have you to turn it off. Because cameras are not allowed in this building.
I'm pretty sure they are.
I'm pretty sure.
Because
they're
if you
not.
look all over the place, this entire building
That's-
has cameras.
Listen to what I'm saying. You're not allowed to record or take pictures in this building.
Says who?
Says the people who work here. So I've been here for 30 years.
Oh, well, you should definitely know that we can then.
I should definitely know that you cannot, but not a problem. Have a seat, please.
Okay, I'm
Take a seat.
gonna get some footage of all the stuff that's on the wall, but I'll still wait for you. So, the young lady said there's no recording in this building. Well, we know that not to be true. She's on the phone now, conveying everything over. So.
He wants to, it's a FOIA. And I told him he needs to.
She doesn't understand. She doesn't understand about the rights we have. That's okay though. See?
Thank you so much for all right. Thank you. So, my supervisor and our section deputy chief probation officer, they're on their way out to speak
okay.
with you.
Okay,
So
cool.
if you like, you can still have a seat.
Yeah.
And they can explain the process a little bit more than I can.
In
okay?
terms of FOIA.
In terms of that.
Oh,
Absolutely.
okay. Right, because I also heard that you was trying to convey to them something about recording as well.
Yes, I did.
So did they tell you I was good to go?
Oh, no, they told you that you're not supposed to do that, but that's
wow.
okay. You
We'll
can still
see.
have a seat.
Yeah, no, I'm not interested in having a seat. That's okay. That's
Not a
okay.
problem.
That's
You
okay.
can stand.
So we'll wait, man. Obviously, the Cook County Probation Office doesn't understand the rights that we have, and that's okay. So, they're receiving education, hopefully, and we should be good to go. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I definitely now you're taking a picture.
Yep, I am.
Yeah, no, yeah, it's okay. I just got to make sure I can. And I have to FOIA everything in your phone.
You can do that.
Oh, I know I can.
I'm sorry, I'm the supervisor.
Oh, you're her supervisor?
Yes,
Oh, okay.
I am. I'm Nicole Holmes. Why are you recording?
Oh, well, just exercising our rights today to record. That's all.
To record who?
To record anything that's in public, ma'am. That's okay, correct? Is it? Is it
no,
not?
no, you can't record. I don't want to be recorded, and she doesn't have to be recorded. That's illegal.
It's
and
ill-
you're in the county building.
Okay, so you're saying illegal though? What makes it illegal?
Anything that happens in here, that's confidential. So if we were up here having a conversation about anything about a client and everything, you're recording. You're not privy to that information. You shouldn't be recording in here.
Well, if we're in public, respectfully, if you're having a private conversation in public, that would be on you, not me, right?
This is not public. This is the county building. So whatever we discuss in here, we're not doing it outside. We're doing it in here.
That's correct, and that's what I'm saying. This area right here, this office, is public. It's not private, is it?
No, this back here is private, and you're recording back here.
Okay, so that's the first thing I need to do. The second thing I wanted to do is file a FOIA. She's not obviously has the knowledge, for lack of a better word, that we can file a FOIA with any public entity. I tried to explain that to her.
Yeah, but you don't have to record though, is what I'm saying. That right, what you're doing, recording us, that part is because I'm telling you, I don't want to be recorded because I'm at work and she's at work.
Well, respectfully, you came and engaged me, and you knew I was recording, so.
Well, I walked into it. Your phone is already out.
That's correct. So, I mean, I'm not going
So I
to.
walked into it.
Okay, well, respectfully, I know what I'm doing. I'm pretty sure what I'm doing and recording in public I should be good to go.
Call the sheriff.
No, Donna's on her way down.
Oh, all right.
But
Who is Donna? Is that the
Donna's
sheriff?
the direct. No, she's the assistant director.
Oh, she's coming down here?
Yeah, she's
Oh,
coming to
okay.
talk to you.
Oh, well, maybe she knows. Donna,
She
hopefully.
does.
Well, hopefully she knows that we can record in public. That'd be beautiful.
No, this isn't public though.
Well, it's not private, respectfully. It's got to be one of the two.
But if a person tells you they don't want to be recorded, whether they're in public or private, then you shouldn't be recording them.
Well,
Unless
no.
it's a situation where it's something illegal and that this is something that you need to present to the police. But
Okay, well-
clearly you don't need to present anything to the police.
Is this Donna?
No, this isn't Donna. This
Oh,
is
okay.
Sharon.
Okay.
Yeah,
What
this
like?
is- she's our deputy.
Oh, her right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, okay. How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Pretty good. I was just trying to explain to these young ladies that what I'm doing is a constitutionally protected activity. I'm just trying to record and exercise my rights in public, and I need to file a FOIA as well. They're more interested in me recording, telling me trying to tell me that I can't do it because it's a county building. I'm pretty sure I can. If you can educate them that I can, we'll be good to go.
I believe it is against policy, and it's especially because it's a juvenile facility and there's confidentiality issues involved,
Which is what I just
which is the
explained to her.
concern we have.
But it still is a public area, correct?
It's our department's space.
Which is
we
public.
deal with, yeah.
Okay, and that's
Depends on how you want to interpret it, I'll put it that way.
right. So it is public. That's why I was trying to tell you guys. As long as it's public and it's not nothing private, we should be good to go. You guys said it was illegal. That's the
Record you
thing.
without my permission. Yeah, it still is.
What law is that?
It's the law of a person's privacy, but this right here, what my deputy just told you, this is, if we're up here talking about client privileges and everything, you shouldn't be privy to that information, and you're making yourself privy to it because you got your phone out recording.
Well, and respectfully, no one's up here even talking about client.
Not right now.
But and even if you were, that wouldn't still be illegal. I still have a right to do so.
You don't have a right to hear about anybody's
Right,
personal
but
information.
we're getting phone calls in from potentially clients and families,
Okay.
and that you would be recording that information,
Which I have a right to.
No.
Not when it comes to a juvenile.
Well,
Confidentiality.
I don't think that if it's a juvenile or an adult, I don't think that any one of those persons would make our rights subside. So, our rights doesn't stop because it's a juvenile or an adult. We still could exercise our rights.
You have rights, but you don't have a right to record someone's personal information.
Well, you do. It's just whatever you do with it, it makes it illegal. Like if you had your credit card out right now, I can record it, but if I use it, then that'll be illegal. But just capturing it, that's not illegal.
I think it is. Because what are you doing with the information?
And this is not Donna.
No.
Oh, okay, because I know you
But
said the
she's
deputy
a
chief.
But she's coming from the.
Okay.
But
Well,
she's still-
hopefully.
she's still a deputy though.
Okay, well, I mean, hopefully Donna knows. Once she come down, hopefully she does know about the rights we have, and we'll be good to
Yeah,
go.
we never had anyone in here recording that, so.
Oh, I can understand that. You know, a lot of people don't know about the rights they have, so.
No, but this is what we gonna make sure that this doesn't happen again though, because that's not supposed to happen.
How could y'all make sure? You say you're gonna make sure that doesn't happen again. So you guys are gonna try to infringe on someone's rights intentionally, deliberately.
And friends
No,
on who? Go ahead.
I was just gonna say, because even coming in the building, I would assume you were not recording as you were walking
He
through the
wasn't.
building.
For sure.
Because
I definitely was. I always
where you
do.
have-
I always do. I record right when I'm coming in, and then as soon as I get past, because you got to check in, obviously, you got to put all your stuff through. So as soon as I came through there, I'm right there in the lobby, still recording and narrating and everything. I mean, it's a public building. Think about it. We taxpayers fund this building, so why wouldn't we be able to record something that we?
Because you're dealing with juveniles and they're protected class.
Yeah, but that's why I say that even still, that doesn't halt anything. So. Oh, is this young man?
How you doing, sir?
How you doing today, sir?
Dr. Lewis and
Can we help you?
Actually, yeah, you actually can. Like I was trying to explain to these young ladies and the young lady behind you that I'm here to do two things. The first thing I need to do is I need to exercise my rights to record in public, which I am currently doing. The second thing that I need to do is file a FOIA. They're kind of more interested in me recording, calling it illegal. And I know that to be false. And I'm pretty sure what I'm doing right now.
To use your device as you see fit. What can we
Thank
do?
you. Oh, well, now that you've got that out the way, we need to file the FOIA with this department. So she was saying that I couldn't do that as well.
Yeah, you don't file a FOIA here, sir.
Yeah, I can. So with any public entity, I can file a FOIA. It's just you guys will have to forward it to you guys as public information officer once I turn it in.
What information are you?
I'm just gonna request general information from about this department, probation department. Just general. You guys will see it because I'll turn it back in. You'll stamp copy it and give me a copy received. And I'll be good to go.
Okay.
And your name again, sir?
My name is McQuell Lewis. I'm the acting director of the Juvenile Probation
Oh, I
Department.
appreciate that. So,
Give us a minute.
all right. So obviously this young man knows about the rights. See, I told you it wasn't illegal.
I still say it's illegal.
Oh, you still say it is.
Right about now, I feel like calling the police because I asked you to put that camera down off of me.
Oh, she says she feels like calling the police.
You don't record. I asked you not to.
How could you feel like calling the police and the director just told you I'm good to
It
go?
doesn't matter. I'm a person who has rights, and I asked you not to record me, and you're constantly doing it. So if I call the police, then you'll just be arrested.
But I don't think that's necessary.
I think it is.
Oh,
Because
wow.
I asked you not to record. This is juvenile court. I asked you not to record. Me personally. Anybody else is okay with it, but if I asked you not to record me, you shouldn't be doing it.
Oh, wow. I hope is this Donna?
You just saw Donna was.
Oh, that was Donna that came in? She didn't say anything, so I didn't know.
No, because Ms. McQuell Lewis is the director.
Oh, he's over her.
Yeah.
Oh,
and
okay.
she's the assistant.
Oh, okay.
So, yeah.
But that's what I'm saying. Your director said I'm good to go, and you told me.
Well, he can say that you can record, but if I say I don't want you to record me, he can't tell you to record me.
Well,
But I asked you not to record me.
Please just go about doing your work.
see?
Go about doing your work.
See?
Okay.
Just go about doing your work.
All right.
See what I'm saying, sir? I don't understand. Sir, she's talking about contacting the authorities.
Don't worry about that.
Okay. Okay, so I think he called her Miss McCoy, and this young lady that's sitting here at the desk, they're probably at this point salted in a peanut because they was 100%. Wow. Y'all heard her? Did y'all just hear that? She said, this nigga. And she caught it. Wow. Wow. But anyway. Huh? You said, oh, you admitting it? Oh, okay. She's cocky with it too, but they're kind of definitely unprofessional, man. They don't know about the rights that we have, but obviously the young man that came out, the head director, he actually knows. And I think that's what makes everybody sauteed in the peanut at this point, man. Like I said, they was 100% for sure that it was illegal. And he came and, dimmed their light a little bit. So he's gonna wait to see about the FOIA, the whole FOIA request thing, and we'll be able to go from there. Y'all stay tuned.
Creator, what's your name?
Uh,
I was just literally just told you was a YouTube creator.
who told you?
The sheriff.
Oh, downstairs? Oh, so the one that helped me come upstairs?
I
the
just
one.
know, it's too many of them. I just know it was the sheriff. I
Oh,
don't know
okay.
when
Yeah,
he
he
passed.
probably the same one that says he watched my videos, and that's why I was trying to tell y'all. I know for a fact I'm good to go. Even the sheriff just seen me
I
doing
mean,
it.
that's decent, but my question is, what is your name on YouTube? Because I follow people on YouTube, so I'm just asking what's your name.
Oh, okay. Well, yeah, I'll give it to you before I get out of here. And if I forget, just to be perfectly honest and transparent, he definitely knows because he just told me on the way up that he watches my videos all the time.
Oh, wow.
Yeah. So.
Do you have a FOIA? Do you have the FOIA request with you?
No, I was seeing if you got. Is there a way you guys can like print one off?
No,
or?
we don't have a FOIA request.
Okay.
but
Well,
if
I'll
you-
fill it out on a blank sheet. That'll work.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do we have a blank sheet of paper?
And your name is Donna?
Yes.
Okay, Donna.
This is not my actual desk.
So we'll
Let me
just
see if I can get a blank sheet of paper for you.
fill it out on a blank sheet, and
Hey, how are you guys?
Donna's
Say
going
your
to.
last name for me one more time. Is it spelled with a K?
Donna's gonna go get us a blank sheet of paper. We should be good to go. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.
I want to acknowledge to you that the Circuit Court of Cook County, under the jurisdiction of the Illinois Supreme Court, is not subject to FOIA. So the rules of FOIA may apply to public institutions. They do not apply to the judiciary.
So how it works then? So you maybe you're talking about like private records. So someone coming in trying to FOIA private records, then I can understand your position. But we're talking about general information for public officials. So you get what I'm saying? Like public servants, as you guys are. So I have a right to FOIA anything about you, her, and anybody here.
I understand what you're saying.
Okay.
What I'm relating to you is precisely what the director from our Chief Judge's legal counsel has advised us.
What's his or her name? Just so I because I would have to
give that
contact.
information.
Well, I mean, if I'm gonna be
Contact.
denied a right, sir, then I want to be able to
I understand. What
point out the person who's perpetrating these violations.
I've given you my name, so that will have to be sufficient for now.
Just like, are you recording me right now?
No.
Oh, okay. Because this young lady had took a video or a picture of me, and I know that that's a public record that she created on the clock, and I have a right to FOIA that. But if you're telling me now I can't even do that, I can't file a FOIA with this department at all under any circumstance.
We are employees of the Circuit Court of Cook County,
And they're
which
exempt.
is a branch of the Illinois Supreme Court, which is exempt.
Okay, so this is what I'll do then, sir. This is what I'll do. We'll just do this just to make sure, because I don't want you guys to. Obviously, you're just coming telling me things that has been conveyed to you to come back and tell me, so which is a mistake. So what I'll do is I'll still fill it out. I'll fill it out and leave it here.
Okay.
Just so you guys will be protected as well, because I don't want to walk out and say that it was a violation or you guys denied me a right, you know. So what I'll do is I'll still fill it out and leave it here. If you guys don't forward it over, then that's another thing. The law state says you have 5 days to respond.
If you present us with a document that you have filled out, then that will be fine. But I don't have a FOIA document for you to complete to leave with us.
And we
That's
would like
correct. So I was telling this young
official-
lady before you, when you was not present, I was telling her that no standard form is even needed in the state of Illinois, so I can fill out the FOIA on a blank sheet. I just did one with the clerk's office. This is a blank piece of paper, but it's a FOIA request. So that should suffice. And I thought she was going to get me a blank sheet. She was like, "I'll be right back." And
That's not, and I can't find it either. Can you just put this? Yeah.
well, like I said, I just request some general information, and of course, a copy of the picture that the young lady took of me in her personal phone on.
I actually don't have. I pretend like I took the picture. I don't have it.
Well, I'm gonna say this.
Go ahead.
Oh, no, you know what? It's very imperative, you know, that she doesn't delete the picture, because that does become a crime, because she's destroying a public record. She's already on camera admitting that she did take one, and now she's trying to recant that. So,
I hear you.
yeah, I'm just, you know, it'll be on her though, not on you. It'll be on her if she deletes it. Okay, so like I said, I'll fill this out, turn it back in. Do I give it to you?
You can give it to me.
I'll give it to you. Okay, and then I'll get a stamp received copy, and we'll be good to go.
All
All
right.
I don't
right.
know if you'll get a stamp. I'll make a copy of it and put our initials on.
But that'd be great. That'd be great. All right, appreciate it.
All right.
Okay, so let's fill out this FOIA real quick. TTA family, we'll be right back.
Can you can I have your name?
So what in terms of that with the name? So I'm doing it anonymously.
Okay.
Yeah.
But you're not here anonymously.
Well, I am, because I'm not giving up I'm not surrendering my Fourth Amendment right to tell you who I am. I don't have to fill out a FOIA. It's not required.
And contacting this information will.
Yeah. So your public information officer will contact that number when the materials are ready.
Okay. So hold on.
All right.
Can you just make a copy? Thank you. I'm just gonna put receipt.
So, give us a copy right quick. TTA family, we'll be good to go. Now make sure y'all stay tuned.
Thank you.
All righty. And what's the direct number to this office?
The direct number for here is 312
Okay. Y'all here. 312 433
4401.
4401. Okay. All right. Appreciate it. So, you're welcome. So, we was able to,
You can't go down those.
oh, you're right.
Coming up.
You're right.
And you're gonna walk down those.
Yeah, that's cool. Yeah. Yep. Appreciate you though. Thanks a lot. So we was able to file our FOIA with the probation office, even though the director, the young man was saying first that you couldn't even file a FOIA. He was saying his legal department told him to tell me that you can't do it, and you just got to stay persistent, man. You know what I mean? But then the lady was on. She had already admitted that. She took a picture of us with her personal phone. So for her to say, "Oh, I was just pretending," or I was just making it up," that kind of leads me to believe that maybe she deleted it. And if so, lady, if you're watching this, you shouldn't have did that. But moving right along, man. Y'all stay tuned. This is the state's attorney's office.
I'm here, Frank Aguinaldo, and he is dropping documents for you, for your calendar and for you. Would you like to come and if you have time? Sure. You're welcome. Thank you. Hello, sir. How may I help you?
Didn't really need any help at the moment. Maybe in a few moments. Matter of fact, you guys have any FOIA request forms?
No, I don't have the forms. Are you on the right floor?
Yeah, this is state's attorney's office, right? Yeah. So, are you familiar with FOIA? Are you familiar with what that is?
Okay, yes.
Okay.
So how may I help you?
Right. So, I need to file a FOIA with this department.
And who are you, sir?
I'm just some guy coming in trying to exercise his right to file a FOIA. That's it.
Sir, I don't know why are you filming. You don't have my permission. I can give you permission.
Yeah, I don't need any permission because
No, sir. Yes, you do.
Thank you very much.
I'm pretty sure I don't.
Okay. Maggie, I'm coming.
Oh, God, it's okay. You still on time.
So, We have another public servant talking about permission, and we obviously don't need any permission. Maybe she's calling like a supervisor or somebody that actually knows.
I'm having a gentleman here in front of the lobby, he's filming me and all our office and asked him the FOIA form, please come to the front desk. Yeah, I don't know, I called him and I don't know. I didn't give the permission for this gentleman to film me.
Yeah. Is that like your supervisor that's coming?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Well, it's a she?
She.
Yeah, so hopefully she does know about the rights we have. That's okay. A lot of people are misinformed, but that's all right. Hopefully they'll know and we can move forward.
One thing is the gentleman filming here without the permission.
No,
Yes.
sir, you can't go
You
in
can't
the
come in
building,
here.
it's illegal.
So to be perfectly honest, it's not illegal.
It is illegal up here, sir.
So how can we help you?
I already conveyed to this young lady I need to file a FOIA.
Yes.
That's the first thing I want to do. Well, the first thing I want to do is exercise my right to record it.
Okay, you absolutely can do that. So let me give you a piece of paper so you can file your FOIA.
All right.
Lisa, can you give me some paper so he can file a FOIA? Just give
You
me,
have to file a FOIA online, that's gotta
I know.
go.
Yeah, I want to do it in person, man.
Give me like this paper.
Yeah. Yeah. So I just think it's rather disgusting that they would use the verbiage and language of it being illegal to try to trample on our rights, but that's okay.
Can you just give me a piece of paper right here?
That's okay. Just got to be persistent, man. That's all.
Here you go.
All right, so yeah, I'll fill it out real quick, hand it back to you guys. Yes. We'll be good to go. What's your name, sir?
I can take that when you're done with it.
Oh, you don't want to identify yourself?
No.
Oh, but you engaged me though. You're a public servant and don't want to tell me your name. We'll fill that out shortly, man. Get the rest of the stuff that's on the walls. And it's crazy because the dude and that other lady that just walked in was saying, yeah, it's illegal. And then as soon as I said I wanted to record, no, I'm gonna do it in a few moments since, yeah, I'll do it in a few moments. I don't, it's no time frame. But this dude didn't want to identify himself, even though he's a public servant. He engaged us, and that's okay. That's okay. We'll definitely get his name because I'm finna fill out a FOIA for everybody's name that works here. So we'll go from there. So y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Oh, this is the police officer sign-in sheet.
Sir,
And
I'm sorry.
what's the matter? She took the clipboard away from us, so I'm not sure why. It said police sign-in sheet, so I don't know why would she take it. It's crazy, man. But man, Cook County, man. Cook County is something else, man. Now this guy here, he ran to the back. He had ran to the back. I guess he's probably been educated now. After he was trying to see if I was going to fill out my FOIA when he wanted me to, but absolutely not.
Hi.
Oh, that's the Sergeant Kamek.
Yes, sir.
How you doing?
Good.
What's going on?
Nothing. I didn't call you here, Officer Coleman. Huh?
What's your shirt say?
Oh, it's
Rude to all evil.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It definitely is.
Yeah.
It definitely is.
Does he need help finally? Did he ask you to help? For help? Okay. We'll see what he does. Hi, how are you?
How you doing, man? I'm not really sure, but let me speculate or conjecture.
No.
Well, I'm just saying, from why you guys are here, obviously you guys are here because they called you up here about me recording.
Okay.
I've tried to convey to everyone here that we do have a First Amendment right to record in public.
Correct.
They wasn't too interested at first. They was trying to call it illegal,
Okay.
false information, but he did give me a piece of paper where I can file my FOIA. Okay. I'm gonna definitely get to that momentarily.
Okay.
Just don't want to be rushed into anything. If that makes sense. Well, what the? Oh my goodness gracious!
It's a standard procedure for a security call.
Did they push the panic button? Anyway, Sergeant Kamix, I had a beautiful dialogue with him downstairs. He knows precisely who I am.
Yes.
I don't have anything.
As do I.
Oh, okay. No, okay. Well, I appreciate you. I appreciate
What's
you, man.
going on?
Oh, man, appreciate
All
you.
right.
So, like I said, I don't have anything, no type of ill intent, nothing nefarious I'm trying to do, just trying to make sure that the rights that we have are not trampled on. That's it. So, are we good? Yeah, that's it. All righty. So, I appreciate you guys for definitely coming up and
Yeah, we understand.
if you guys can educate them, though, that'd be beautiful, man.
Okay, and you got what you need? Did you need help, or did you want them to file it
No,
for you?
not actually. I know exactly what I'm gonna do.
All right.
Yeah.
Okay.
What's your name, ma'am?
Kelly Eldridge.
Are you like the chief? Superintendent. Okay, I can tell. Okay. I thought I had, because I asked the sergeant earlier about Mr. Angulo, and that's the only superintendent I know for Cook County, but now I know another one. So appreciate you guys, though.
All right.
All right, man.
All righty.
That Terminator is out there. It can't be bargained with. It can't be reasoned with. It doesn't feel pity or remorse or fear. And it absolutely will not stop. Ever.
Definitely ready to file a FOIA, man. You able to get a stamped copy? Snap received copy. Will be good to go. Man, I'm gonna have to go back and count, man. It looked like at least 13 sheriffs just showed up. Man, that is crazy, man. That's crazy, man. But it is what it is, man. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned.
All right.
Appreciate it, Superintendent. Appreciate you as well, Sergeant. Thanks a lot.
You're welcome.
You need anything else?
No, that'll be
Okay.
it for now.
Okay.
That'll be it for now, you guys.
I'm sorry, I didn't know you went back there.
Yes.
I'm gonna have to count, man. That was a record, man. It was like 18 of you guys just then, man. So, we'll be able to. I'm glad that the sergeant and the superintendent and Sheriff Coleman was up here. Obviously, they know what we have a right to do. We did see that the sergeant right there at the end with the superintendent was just back there educating them. So we definitely appreciate that. And see, that's the thing. See, that's what I like about it, man. I love this community, man. I love the First Amendment alternate community because, for people to say there's no such thing as change and this stuff is not working, and man, think about it. They just said we watch the videos are educational for everyone, even law enforcement. I can guarantee you maybe a couple years ago, and before the ordinance stuff, when it first kicked off, man, 6, 7 years ago, something like that, 8, 9, 10 years ago, people were, compared to now, you feel what I'm saying? So that's why I like to shout out all the greats, man, because they paved the way for us newcomers, man. So, man, you know what I'm saying? Hats off to you guys, man. But yeah, this is what it is, man. So moving right along, though. We're going to keep it moving, man. I'll make sure. Oh, let me see. One quick, real quick. And one last thing, man. What's the direct number to this office?
Direct number,
Get it.
hold on 1 minute.
Okay.
Good morning, State's Attorney's Office.
Just in case, man, because that was just pitiful, man. I could tell he the one. As soon as he asked me about the FOIA, and I didn't want to fill it out right away when he wanted to, he wanted to call all them sheriffs, man. It was at least 15 of them. It was like 6 right here and probably like 9 getting off the elevator, but I'm definitely gonna try to file a complaint on dude, man. We're gonna get this direct number to this office and we should be moving right along. Two. Three sevens. Looks like she wrote down the area code. All right.
For you, sir, or?
Oh, so it's 312?
Yeah,
Four-
433.
433
7,000.
433 3700?
Maybe I will write.
No, I think you wrote it pretty good. She said 40. She said 37,000. No, it's 3700. 312 433 3700 for sure. All right, appreciate it. Thanks a lot. TTA family, so y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. Yes, ma'am. Just wanted to be able to come, public defender's office, correct? Yeah, just want to be able to come in and file a FOIA with this department, and that should be it. A FOIA? So it's Freedom of Information Act? Yeah. Okay. Freedom of Information. Yeah. The F, so it's FOIA. Yeah, finally, right? Finally. Okay, beautiful. Okay, definitely. And then I'll fill this out, get a received copy back from you, and we'll be good to go. Okay. All right. Let me just. Well, I'm going to fill it out right now and just turn it right back into you. Okay. I'll fill this out right quick, TTA family. We'll be good to go. Y'all stay tuned. Yes, I am. I just needed a copy of it, like a stamp received copy of it. And
I will make a copy of it and bring it back to you.
Appreciate it.
Just so you know, because this is juvenile court, there's extra protections around confidentiality in the court building.
Okay.
So you're not allowed to film in the juvenile court.
I think I am, though. I think I am.
I would check with the presiding judge upstairs, and she might tell you otherwise. But I'll be right back. Okay.
All right, but I'm pretty sure I am, though. What's your name?
Amber Miller. I'm the chief of the juvenile.
Chief Juvenile Justice Division. Okay.
I'll be right back.
All right.
Because of the confidentiality nature of juvenile court specifically, it has extra protections than other court.
Okay.
I'll be right back with your.
All right. See, that's what I'm saying. We don't have to keep explaining to these people. They should already know. That's why you guys hear me right there at the end just saying, okay, because I know exactly what we're doing. Obviously, we just was met with a whole bunch of pushback. The officers came. It's not, this is crazy, man.
So we can get through this information?
Well, I just want to do it anonymously. Yeah, a name is not required. So, yeah, just fill it out anonymously. Okay. Anyway, my thing is they're always talking about, and if you guys look, this entire video, we haven't seen one juvenile, man. But they want to use that as a way of saying, you know, this is the reason why you can't exercise your rights.
How do you want this information returned to you then?
So it's a contact number there that the public information officer can give me a ring and,
Okay.
yeah. But anyway, like I was saying, you know, it's always the courtrooms. You can't record inside the courtrooms. Anywhere else in the entire courthouse, you're good to go, obviously. But that just be their way, man. Just their way. But it is what it is, man. I'll make sure I stay tuned. Yeah, she took it. She took it to the back. Yeah. So I'm still waiting for Chief Juvenile Justice Division Amber K. Miller to come back out with a copy of our FOIA. And we should be good to go. Yeah, make sure y'all stay tuned.
Here you go. Here's a copy I put at the top, my initials, when I received it.
Yeah.
In fact, I give you my business card, but you know, all that information is already available online, so.
Yeah, I just like to come in and do it the old school ways, okay?
Okay, but it is available
Okay.
right now if you you wanna get it online, it's all there.
Okay, that's cool. So, able to give us a copy of our FOIA. They always say it's online, and it doesn't matter if it's online or not. We want to see if the rights are going to be respected in terms of us filing a FOIA in person. So, I mean, it is what it is, man. I'll make sure y'all stay tuned. And real quick, TTA family, this is let you know right here, this notice that's still up here, you can obviously see that it's an extremely old notice, right? But they keep it here to give off the illusion, that there's no electronic devices permitted in the courthouse. So, you know, it's basically to try to trample on your rights. And they keep that there for people that don't know. So, like I said, hopefully, lots of people, y'all make sure y'all share this video, man. A lot of people, especially in Cook County, man, because they like to flex it all over everywhere in Cook, all the courthouses. But we visited Cook County courthouses all the time. And regardless, they say this is a juvenile center Cook County courthouse, but even still, regardless, we have a legal right to do so, obviously. So it is what it is. So. Now make sure y'all stay tuned. So from the top, TTA family, from the top. Came out here to Chicago, Illinois, man, to the Cook County. Okay, I see the sign over there, Cook County Juvenile Center. Courthouse. To do what we always do. First went over there to the clerk's office. Went to the clerk first. The lady in there was kind of misinformed. She was telling us, you know, go scan a QR code or something like that in order to file our FOIA, which we was ultimately able to do it at the end of the day anyway. So not too bad, not too bad. When we got upstairs is where we met with all the pushback. The state's attorney's office, the public defender's office. You know, it's just crazy, man. You know, it's crazy that, you know, they would come in and try to tell you what you're doing is illegal. It's illegal, it's illegal. Like when the taller guy, the guy that didn't want to identify himself in the state's attorney's office, when he came in with that young lady, both of them saying it was illegal. But then when I said, you know, I have a right to do it, it seemed like he was trying to almost agree. He's like, oh, okay, you can, whatever you want, you want to file a FOIA. He was trying to, probably just was trying to hurry me up. Let me just let him say what he wants to say and hurry this guy up out of here. I kind of felt that. I kind of got that from him. Like that energy was given off to me that he was trying to hurry me up. That's the reason why I waited to file my FOIA, because I knew that he wanted me to do it at a specific time. So that's why I was like, no, I do it. I get to it in a moment, especially after I asked him, what's his name? What's your name? And you don't want to identify yourself, you engage me, you're a public servant. He didn't want to identify. So I said, all right, I'll file a FOIA in a few minutes then. And I think that's when he went back into the back and called all those sheriffs. Like I said, again, I'm going to have to go back and look, man, and count, man. There was so many in the lobby with me right there, and then there was so many getting off the elevator. I'm like, man, did they press the panic button or something, man? And if he did, it would be only because I didn't fill out the FOIA when he wanted me to. That's crazy, man. It's crazy, man. We definitely gonna link all their information in the description. Those entities in this building. But a couple of sheriffs, couple of Cook County sheriffs already knew who we were. Like you said, we met with us. Was that Sergeant Kamek? I think that's how you say his last name. And I think Sheriff Coleman, he said, he was familiar as well. And we appreciate the sergeant and the superintendent going to the back after we asked them to. Because, it's a couple of officers, like throughout our videos, the entire time we've been doing this, I would ask the officers all sometime, man, is there a way that you possibly can go in here and educate everyone? And then no, I'm not going to do that. Some officers don't want to do that, but it seems to me, after I asked them that, it seems like the superintendent and the sergeants went back there. How you doing? Went back there and educated everyone that what we was doing was constitutionally protected. Sometimes they go back there and try to say stuff like, this guy's just looking for a reaction. Don't give it to him. Sometimes, so, it's really 50-50. But the main thing is we was able to do what we always came here to do. And that's record in public and file our FOIAs, which both of those are rights. So that be my thing. Long as we're able to do that, I don't care. I really don't care about nothing else. And man, shout out to the last winners, man. Shout out to the last the winners from last week about the cash giveaways. Like I said, we finna get ready to set that up again. Man, I'm telling y'all right now, the June has kicked in. I got a huge, enormous, ginormous update for you guys. Y'all make sure y'all stay tuned. I don't want to give away the date, but you can rest assured it's gonna be this month. Y'all make sure y'all stay in tune for that. And is it anything else? Oh yeah, we'll be back live too. We'll be back live 2 p.m. Central. This coming up Sunday. Y'all make sure y'all get ready for that. I love you guys wholeheartedly. Everybody that's been locked in with TTA. If you're new here, make sure you hit the subscription button, man. You don't want to miss. We got a lot of stuff coming up, man. So until the next time, man, y'all make sure y'all stay